morning, sir. I am Manasa from Grade 7 Spark. I am designed and experiment rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting system is one of the best methods practiced and followed to support the conservation of water. Today, scarcity of good water has a significant cause of concern. However, rainwater, which is pure and good quality, is used for domestic and irrigational purposes. These types of methods mostly follow less rainfall and no water bodies like Rajasthan areas. This is rain. This is rainwater collection tank. This is percolation tank. This is freshwater tank. In this percolation tank, sand, big stones, small stones is there. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Yatish, grade 9. He is Lakshman.
Good morning, sir.
We will share the information about the physiographical regions of India.
India is situated north to hemisphere between 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. The geological boundaries of India are on east Bay of Bengal, west Arabian Sea, and north Himalayan mountains, south Indian Ocean. It is the 7th largest country in area-wise and mostly populated country in the world. The political boundaries of India are north China, Nepal, Tibet, Bhutan, and south Sri Lanka, east Bangladesh, Myanmar, west Pakistan, Afghanistan. The physiographical divisions of India are the Himalayan mountains. These are formed by ongoing tectonic plate collision with Indian and European plates. Protects India from cool winds and extends from north Ladakh to east side Arunachal Pradesh. These are the birthplaces for peninsular rivers like River Ganga, River Indus, and River Brahmaputra. River Indus from Himachal Pradesh via Punjab to Pakistan. River Ganga from Uttar Pradesh via Bihar to Uttarakhand to Bangladesh. And River Brahmaputra from Arunachal Pradesh to Assam to Bangladesh.
Islands in Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. These two major islands of India. The Lakshadweep Islands in 36, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in 247 in number. These islands are center of the biodiversity.
The Peninsular Plateau. This is the largest region of the Indian subcontinent located between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. The important mountain ranges are Vindhya Satpura ranges, Aravalli ranges, and Sahyadri ranges. The states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and all South Indian states comes under this region. This is birthplace of many peninsular rivers like west flowing River Narmada, Tapi, drained in Arabian Sea, and east flowing River Godavari, River Krishna, River Kaveri, drained in Bay of Bengal, and provides irrigation for lakhs of fields. Formed by the work of three major rivers, River Ganga, River Brahmaputra, and River Indus. It is the world's most extensive uninterrupted place, a ranked area under world's most densely populated areas.
Thar Desert. It is in western India, mostly covered in Rajasthan. This is low rainfall.
Continue.
This is low rainfall. Stars are visible everywhere. Promotes rare silk threads. One and only Luni River is helps to irrigation method.
Coastal plains. These are located on east side between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats, on west side between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Peninsular rivers are drained in this region. In these many important posts and coasts are there. They have different names like Odisha, Utkal Coast, Paradip Port, and Andhra, Sattar Coast, Visakhapatnam Port, and Kerala, Malabar Coast, Kochi Port, Tamil Nadu, Coromandel Coast, Chennai Port, and Maharashtra, Konkan Coast, Mumbai Port. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Nikesh from grade 9. He is Lohit.
Good morning, sir. I am Rohit from grade 9.
We will share the information about time zones. Time zones is specific areas of the time that are earlier or later. Because when it is daytime on one side of Earth, it is night time on another side of the Earth. To calculate the Greenwich Mean Time,
where it is passing through London, dividing basics of the meridians or longitudes. There are 24 time zones on the world. To calculate the longitude of the India is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. There are 24 time zones on the earth. If in India the time is 10 a.m. In London, in London 4:30 a.m. In Rome 5:30 a.m. In Athens 6:30 a.m. In Moscow 7:30 a.m. In Islamabad 9:30 a.m. In Bangladesh 10:30 a.m. In Tibet 11:30 a.m. In China 12:30 a.m. 12:30 p.m. In Tokyo 1:30 p.m. In Vladivostok 2:30 p.m. In Vanuatu 3:30 p.m. In Kamchatka 4:30 p.m. In Azores 5:30 p.m. In Greenland 6:30 p.m. In Benares 7:30 p.m. In Naples 8:30 p.m. In Rio de Janeiro 9:30 p.m. In Chicago 10:30 p.m. In Mexico 11:30 p.m. In Los Angeles 12:30 p.m. In Alaska 11:30 a.m. Thank you.